Now I'll demonstrate how to establish an N-way conference call. N-way conferencing is similar to three-way conferencing, but allows for a higher number of parties to be conferenced together. The first step is to dial the first party. After they answer, I'll press the conference key. Once I push the conference key, they will be put into a hold state. Then I'll dial the second party. Notice my screen now displays party 1 and party 2. Before party 2 answers, I can press the left arrow to cancel the call. Then I would press the line key to reconnect to the original caller. As soon as the person I called answers, I have two choices. I can drop the second call, or I can add them to the conference call. I would press the right arrow to drop the call if I got their voicemail, or after I talk to them for a moment, I find out they don't have time right now, or maybe they're not the right person to join the conference call. All these reasons are why you might press the right arrow to drop the call before you add them to the conference call. Now let's say they answer and they are ready to join the conference call. Then I would simply press the conference key. Watch the two parties on the screen. As they join the conference, they're now listed as conference. If I want to add another party to the conference call, I would just repeat the process. Press the conference key, dial the next number. When they answer, press the conference key, and they would be added to the conference. When the conference call is complete, I can press the goodbye key to disconnect all parties and end the conference call.